So this is part of the MPGuino project, and it's a project to bring trip computers to older cars. I think this is what Trevor was talking about. And it's okay, but it requires that you have this little additional piece of equipment that isn't very attractive in your car. I didn't really like that. So I went ahead and created something that I could use to bypass the MPGuino. So this is just a display unit. It isn't the actual guts of it. I've created the 6-pin cable here that I can use, and I can stuff this back in here. And now I can close the gauge pods if I want to. And then I've managed to route everything through the head unit. And you'll see our Raspberry Pi is booting up right now. Goes into Firefox. And you'll notice that it's now taking in real time data from the Arduino. And the nice thing is, I still get all the other functionality. I can also check my tire pressure, which is good. And then finally, I rigged it up so that it auto switches to a backup camera when I need that. Unfortunately, they run at different rates, so you can see sometimes there's a scanning issue, but it all works pretty darn well. I had to hack the d3.js code, which is what this is using, in order to display the subheadings and actually update them. I had to write a couple of my own routines, but you can see I've got all the good data here. There's my trip mileage. It's all in the city, so it's about 14. I've got 18 miles till empty, but that's a safe empty. You can see I've got this little line. If that gets to 0, that means it's completely dry. If this line gets here, it's time to go get gas. And, well, that's all she wrote. Oh, and you can see the gas gauge. There we are. And I went ahead and I tried to match these gauges to that as much as I could, as well as the same color combo. So that's why I used orange and brown.